what's up guys? This is Daniel back from Bar Shield. I believe we're on episode 68 of Bar Tip Tuesday. So this week, kind of going off of what we were talking about last week with the 10s and 15 pound plates as far as dropping them from overhead. I stumbled across on the king of strength and conditioning equipment, Rogue Fitness, on their website. I was checking out and doing a little research, and they actually came up with a new testing method from a third party. So what they were basically doing was testing the durability of the actual the steel, as well as the different finishes from black oxide, zinc, chrome, I mean, you kind of name it. So what they kind of discovered, which I'm not going to go into much detail here just because I'm going to link the video below, and they can kind of explain it better than I can, because they spent over $2 million on testing barbells. So basically they're testing the durability over time. So if you have a barbell that's seen a lot of drops in a gym, it was showing the durability of that type of steel and type of finish, I mean. So they found that chrome was actually, I think it was like 50% less effective, which was kind of surprising because chrome has been among the top as far as finishes goes by general standards. So what I was going to highlight real quick, what you saw at the beginning of the video, was it kind of is talking about, they talk about properly loading a bar, and it's kind of counter to what you would really think. So let's say you had 10-pound plates only on the bar, so just one 10-pound plate on each side. That's actually generating more force when you drop it, whether from overhead or whatever, than a 45-pound plate, or even like if you had 405 on the bar if you're dropping it from overhead. Reason being, the that force is being evenly distributed when you have more weight on the bar. So you'll see, if you were to look at it in slow-mo, which they show it in the Rogue video, like super high quality, you can see the flex of the bar, and you can see there's much less movement. You can also attribute that to having some sort of spring collar on there. So we're trying to minimize the amount of space between the actual collar and the plate itself. So that's one huge reason why you would want to wear, or why you'd want to put spring collars or HG collars, Osos collars, the Pro Lock collars, whatever collars it is, making sure that the plate is up against here, just so you're not getting any unnecessary forces on the sleeve itself or just on the shaft of the bar. Because if you're, like I was saying, if you're watching it slow-mo, you see the bar flex. And obviously the third-party firm that they hired, they couldn't drop a barbell 10,000 times. So they developed a method to simulate that, which you'll see in the video. It's pretty cool. So they break it down into a graph to where, if you're a garage gym owner and you're the only one using your bar, it's different. So if you like chrome, you could probably still get away with a chrome bar. But if you're at a gym where there's high volume, there's a lot of drops on a daily basis, chrome's probably not the best choice for you over time. So just keep that in mind when you're kind of evaluating this, okay? So just to recap, make sure to check out that Rogue Fitness video. So they came up with a patented system, or it's either patent or patent pending. They call it Rogue Work Hardening. It's a proprietary system to where it's almost like reinforcing the barbell to make it more durable, so it can withstand all those drops over the life of the bar, so you can get more out of your barbells. So just keep in mind, control you can control here. Use collars, load the bar properly. So you're talking about the heaviest plates on the inside, and then lighter plates on the outside, not vice versa. I know that happens a lot in CrossFit. People will slide a 5 here first to secure it, and then they'll put like a 25 and 10 or whatever it is. So just keep that in mind, okay? So if you have any other questions, be sure to check out that video, or just let us know what you thought. But that's a great tip for you guys. So we'll see you next week. Thanks.